Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to analyze stocks in the stock market. So by analyzing I mean how to analyze your stocks for long position, how to analyze your stocks for short position. In day trading, I will not mention day trading over here because day trading is something that you buy at the on the same day at a lower price and sell on the same day at a much higher price. That is day trading. So I'm not going to mention that over here. I'm going to mention the other two over here. So let's get started. As you can see over here, how to analyze this stock. First of all, I would know what trend is it. It's an uptrend and still moving in the upward direction. But you can see over here at this level where it is. It forms a resistance level over here. You can also see it's a rising wedge. A rising wedge you can see over here. As you can see over here, it touched the trend line at two different points. So it confirms that it's an uptrend and moving in the upward direction. It also took a lot of time to move in to reach at that level, but as you can see over here, it's a rising wedge and moving in the upward direction. So in order to analyze the stock, if you want to buy this type of stock, buy it over here at these levels when the candlesticks touch this line or is near this line or somewhere over here at these levels. So buy it over here and wait for it until it reach this level and sell it. If you want to further wait for it, knowing that it will break this trend line and move in the upward, so that's great. Wait for it and hold the stock and sell it as it break this trend line and move in the upward direction at an even much higher price. So I would that's if you can wait for that long, that's great. But what I would suggest over here is that you sell the stock at this level, and when it break the trend line, it will most of the trend lines definitely confirm its uptrend at this level, go like this and came in this direction and move in the upward direction. So that's also a great thing. But in case if that didn't if the confirmation process didn't happen, then that's great that you be in the trade and move in the upward direction. Now you can see it's a rising wedge, so you'll have to wait for it to know in which direction the trend will rise. Most of the time it shows a rising wedge, but in that case it moves like this. It moves out of the trend line in this it didn't break this trend line and move beneath this trend line. Now this is also a support level as well. So it means that the stock didn't came below this level, this trend line, and did not touch this line. It didn't break this line. It didn't even came below this line because the bears are not that much strong, but the bulls are continuously pushing the prices upward in the upward direction. So you will also have to know, if you can understand the candlestick psychology, which I'm going to be showing you in the later in the coming videos of mine. I will be showing you the psychology of the candlesticks, how to trade with the candlesticks. So stay tuned for that. And you can see that the bears are strong over here, but we will have to wait for another candlesticks to give us a clue of whether it will further come down or it will rise above this trend line. I know it definitely will rise this trend line, but also we are going to wait for it to know how will it do in the future. So that's all about trading in the stock market. So you that's all what you're going to do. And beside that, if you buy it over here, the most important thing is risk management and take profits. That's up to you, because you know better when you know better how much stocks you can how much risk you can bear, how much risk you are comfortable taking, because that's up to you. I cannot do anything in that. You'll have to do that on your own. I'm just showing it to you that how these how to how to analyze your stocks in the stock market. Another thing is the Fibonacci retracements. I plotted over here. You can see this much pullback occurred up to the 61% retracement level. So this is also a great tool to use. This is used for most of the time for pullbacks, to recognize pullbacks. Now again I will show you one more thing over here. At this level, the same retracement level 61%. So this tool is used for to know the pullbacks. If you are a trader of a pullback, you trade pullbacks. So it's a great tool. Do use it to trade pullbacks, because trading at the pullbacks is the most profitable thing in the stock market. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.